Welcome to Crazy Dash Cam, the place that captures the most authentic moments from dash cams. Today, we'll dive into intense traffic situations and unexpected maneuvers on the road. Sit back, relax, and get ready for some thrilling experiences. The guy was riding his motorcycle when he suddenly lost control and skidded, causing him to fall. Fortunately, there were no vehicles behind him. He only suffered minor scrapes thanks to wearing protective gear, but his motorcycle was damaged. The gray pickup truck was towing a large boat behind it. The driver seemed to be in a hurry and didn't slow down as they approached the turn. Instead of gradually reducing speed, the pickup truck suddenly signaled and made a sharp right turn without paying attention to the other vehicles in that lane. A gray SUV tried to overtake, but could not keep a safe distance. As a result, the SUV slightly collided with the side of the car next to it. However, both vehicles were not significantly damaged and no one was injured.
I've got him on dash cam. Against the red light, look at that.
The red light. You fucking idiot.
Well, still on.
The driver of the car appeared to be distracted while driving, and he veered into another vehicle's lane, causing a collision. Fortunately, there were no injuries, but both vehicles sustained minor damage.
What you doing, man? You see what you fucking doing? Did you see it? I got you on recording, man.
A white car merged into the main lane without reducing speed, creating a dangerous situation for other vehicles already in the lane. Other drivers were forced to brake suddenly to avoid a collision. A red car deliberately sped up to run a red light, but lost control of the situation and collided with another vehicle. The accident caused significant damage to both cars, but fortunately, there were no serious injuries.
Sorry, Mark. You are welcome. Plus, there are
Private surfing lessons with me.
Well, yeah.
After finishing its job on the owner's lawn, the lawnmower ran across to the neighbor's yard across the street to continue working. This situation is quite humorous, but it also poses some dangers for passing traffic. The motorcyclist did not pay attention to the road and crashed into the median strip. The impact damaged the motorcycle, and the rider may have sustained minor injuries. This situation highlights the importance of paying attention while riding. The silver Honda lost control after entering a curve and collided with a pickup truck traveling in the opposite direction. The collision caused damage to both vehicles, and the situation posed some risks to the drivers and passengers.
Hang on. Laju, Mak. Tepuk tangan ya.
Membahayakan loh ini. Rendah.
The white pickup truck veered into the opposite lane, causing oncoming vehicles to brake suddenly and move close to the roadside to avoid a collision. This situation created unease and could be dangerous for drivers. The white car changed lanes without using its turn signal and did not pay attention to the vehicles in that lane. This created a dangerous situation, as other drivers were unable to react in time, leading to unease and the risk of a collision.
That's what it is. Yeah, right in front.
The red car veered into the opposite lane, causing vehicles in that lane to reduce their speed to avoid a collision. This situation created tension and danger for drivers in the area.
Thank you all for watching the video till the end. If you found this content useful and interesting, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss any of our new videos.
Yeah, she'd have to say
We regularly update with exciting and helpful content to serve you.
The way she
Join our community and let's explore more new things together.
Wait! Are you serious? Just after
The white pickup truck was moving at a steady speed, but the driver showed signs of being inattentive. As the truck began to change lanes without signaling, it suddenly lost control. In an instant, the truck crashed straight into a roadside utility pole. A boy was riding his scooter on the road, but he was going against the flow of traffic. Although no collisions occurred, many drivers were startled and had to brake suddenly to avoid him. The boy continued riding, seemingly unaware of the danger of his actions. The car suddenly sped up, intentionally swerving into the opposite lane to overtake the line of vehicles ahead. Before it could complete the pass, a large truck appeared from the opposite direction, forcing the driver to swerve back into their lane, narrowly avoiding a serious collision. The red SUV was about to merge into the main lane from a side road. However, the driver did not carefully check the traffic. Just as the SUV turned in, another car in the main lane approached at a steady speed, forcing the driver to brake hard to avoid a collision. The two vehicles were only a few centimeters apart, creating a heart-stopping moment.
Jesus fucking Christ, you fucking dickhead.
A wheelbarrow accidentally fell off a moving trailer, tumbling onto the road. The drivers behind quickly slammed on their brakes to avoid a collision, creating a chaotic scene, but fortunately, no serious damage occurred.
I called you, and I meant to. And as I told that Heather, I was like, I should just tell Charmaine that we can.
Oh, shit! Hang on, I've just been here. I gotta go.
The SUV shows signs of having caused a collision and is trying to flee the scene. This reckless and hurried action only increases the danger for other vehicles around, causing concern and drawing attention from onlookers. A sudden mishap occurred when a wheel of the white pickup truck unexpectedly came off, causing the rear of the vehicle to slam onto the road. Sparks flew as the metal scraped against the surface, creating a dangerous and heart-stopping scene for those around. The motorcycle sped ahead at a much higher rate than other vehicles in the lane. After overtaking several cars, it nearly collided with a car that was changing lanes. The tense moment when a collision seemed imminent made it feel as if time had stopped. Fortunately, the situation was handled in time.
Whoa!
The Mercedes, moving in the wrong direction, suddenly changed lanes, creating a surprising and dangerous scene on the road. A few wooden planks suddenly fell off the moving trailer onto the road. Drivers behind had to brake sharply to avoid colliding with the wood, scattered on the road. The white SUV suddenly merged into the lane without proper observation, causing other drivers to react quickly to avoid a collision and increasing the risk of an accident. After stopping at the red light, two vehicles traveling in the same direction collided as both were moving at high speeds. The slippery road made it difficult for them to control the situation, leading to the collision.
Yeah, keep your foot on the fucking hook, Joe. Yeah, fucking moron.
While driving in rainy weather, the dash cam of a vehicle captured a dramatic scene when a lightning bolt struck a utility pole about 20 meters away. This striking footage not only makes a strong impression, but also highlights the dangers of driving in adverse weather conditions.
Thank you for watching the entire video. If you found it helpful, don't forget to hit the subscribe button so you don't miss our upcoming content. Your support is the motivation for us to keep growing. Thank you very much.
A lot of it is from returning external links.
Yeah, I mean, I think at least what we're able to say is that it doesn't seem...
Okay, Garmin. Save